Hi, hi students. How are you? Now this is Habib. Today I am going to explain about the blood vessels and circulation. Are you with me, children? Yeah. Let us study about structure and function of blood vessels. Before 16th century, people don't know about blood vessels and their functions. In 1574, an Italian doctor Girolamo Fabrici studied keenly about the veins in leg. Noticed that they had small valves in them. If the blood moved in one direction, the valves folded towards the walls of the vessel. If the blood moved in the opposite direction, the valves closed. This means they are one way valves. The valves permitted the blood to move upright direction only, but not move downwards. Everyone thought that blood leaving the left ventricle always move away from the heart, for which Fabrici paid no attention. He missed the importance of his own discovery. William Harvey. Harvey is an Englishman who was the student of Fabrici. Harvey dissected the heart of dead people and studied the walls between atrium and ventricles. Harvey noticed that walls allowed the blood to flow from the atrium to ventricles only. He began to thinking about the walls. His teacher Fabrici has discovered in the leg vein. He checked that by tying off or blocking the different veins in animals, he noticed that veins always bulged on the side of the blocked away from the heart. In veins, the blood flowed towards the heart and accumulated just below the block because it simply did not flow away from the heart. In arteries, the blood vessels bulge on the hot side of any black hippoid. Harvey noticed that heart pushed the or pumped the blood into the arteries and the blood returned by the way of veins. Harvey also observed the pathway of double circulation of blood. Harvey still had some problem. He was unable to explain about blood vessels. In 1650s, scientists used to lenses to study about small objects. At the time, there is no microscope. Marcello Malpighi. Malpighi, with the help of microscope, he could see the tiny blood vessels. In 1661, Malpighi studied the wings of bat. He could see there the membrane under the microscope. He could see that smallest arteries and veins were connected by very fine blood vessels. He called these blood vessels capillaries from the Latin word for hair. With the discovery of capillaries, the idea of that circulation of the blood was complete, and it has been accepted ever since. Thank you. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.